That's you. Let me tell you why.
Oh, I'm up. I'm on.
Hold on. Stop.
Isn't it
Start again.
Design My Space and...
No,
You have
will.
no?
It will.
Okay. Let me tell you why. When you're remodeling or building, you want to hire a designer.
Welcome guys, it's Stephanie Jones from Design My Space. I have my husband, Justin here. He's a general contractor in Florida. And we're gonna tell you why you should hire a designer when building, remodeling, or in new construction in general. I'll let you go because this was
100%. Before I met Stephanie, prior to that, I was building. Homeowners would come to me and be like, okay, all right, I gotta go pick my tile. Where are we going? And I'm like, you're going
crickets.
you're going here to the kitchen and bath place and this and that. So
yeah, generally builders
are not
designers. And you know, I think before I met you, I kind of thought that your builder or your contractor would do all that, like pick out my finishes and stuff. So
number one,
builder doesn't think of design.
Your builder is thinking about building or remodeling and getting all the sticks and stones and blocks and
so they don't break your bones.
Yes. Not, is it gonna be pretty?
Yeah.
What tile, what flooring, what paint colors? No, we don't think of any of that kind of stuff because we're focused on all the large things. And I'm saying a generalization because I have a lot of contractor friends that do the exact same thing as me. We are not designers. We do not, no.
You always say, you pick, I stick. So he would actually tell his clients, you go pick it out.
I'll stick it, put it wherever that you want. Number two, builders do not think about function. You give me a set of plans, I'm not gonna make sure that your pantry is in the kitchen and you have the trifecta on the kitchen, and I don't really care if you put in this little shower or tub or whatever that it might be that you're really wanting. I don't think of that kind of stuff. You give me a plan, I execute the plan.
Yeah. And it's true also even with some engineers and architects that you work with. I think when a homeowner hires an architect, they think that the architect is going to be able to do all that for them. And for the most part, most architects can, but truthfully, like a designer is definitely a different, we think of it differently than an architect or builder.
Yes.
You kind of need that whole team.
Number three, a builder doesn't even like the design.
Is that what you really wrote? The builder doesn't even like design.
I don't.
And you're not good at it.
It doesn't matter to me. Just bring whatever that you want in there and I'll go ahead and put it in there for you. I don't even really want to think about it because I have so many other trades, building department inspections. I mean, you name it. I have all these other things. The last thing I want to be thinking about is the wallpaper or the color that you want in this room. I don't care. Just
you don't.
Bring it, I'll put it in. And again,
he's not good at it.
I'm generalizing, but my builders out there, please put some comments below because I know you feel me.
Are you like him? I've actually seen some builders that do actually enjoy the design. But I think for the most part, a lot of builders work with designers. If you don't notice it, like if they don't have them on the team, then they have the client hire them because it's a key thing.
Yes. Number four, designer pull out client style and help their vision come alive.
It's true. You are not gonna do that. So something I love doing, as you guys have seen on the show on my Design My Space, is taking your styles and bringing it to life. You may not understand why you like this picture of a bathroom on Pinterest, but I can actually pull that out and help you create that in your space. An architect is not gonna do that, and a builder is definitely not gonna do it, or contractor is not gonna do that. So just taking that and then helping you pick out the tile and helping you pick out the finishes that are really going to complement that entire vision for you. But I have had a lot of friends that have hired contractors and they've had to make all the decisions, and they end up being kind of disappointed in the end because they have a hard time seeing that in picture, you know? And so I can help make that whole entire, or designers, I shouldn't say but designers can help make that whole picture come to life, and then the builder then executes that vision.
Yes.
Right?
These get better now. Number five, designers will source product for you.
Yeah.
Contractors do not source products for you. If it's not sold at a big box or one of my supply houses, I'm not going to source it for you.
You're not going to take the time to do it.
I'm not going to do that.
I will spend hours researching the best price, the best product. I truly, and maybe I'm unique in that, designers, if you're watching this, help me out. Do you do this too? I spend way too much time that I'm not even billing. And I just want to have the best product. So I will go and source it. And a homeowner doesn't need to do all of that, because truthfully, homeowners don't know what quality, what type, like, do I do vinyl? Do I do hardwood? And so then the designer can come and give options and give these, these different solutions to your problems that a builder's just not going to do.
Perfect. Number 6, this will free up the customer and free up the contractor from making all these decisions. Go see your designer.
Yeah, because it's a lot of stuff.
Your designer will help you take your plans, make them more functional, make them pretty, and then I don't have to think about it or worry about it. And I could just go to the designer and say, hey, what did Mr. and Mrs. Smith want here? And you say, this is what they wanted.
This is what they want.
And I don't have to think about it.
It is so much. There's so many little things that go into even just a bathroom remodel. You do not want, as a client or as a customer, to have all that mental load and all that decision on yourself. It is so stressful. It's so much. And your contractor, again, is not going to do that for you. So he'll send you to Floor and Decor or ProSource is one of our tile wholesalers. He'll send you there. He'll maybe go with you, but he won't offer any suggestions. He or she, there's women contractors, I'm sorry. They'll offer their time and their presence. You go there. He hates it. He's hated it in the past, but they won't give you opinions. They can't give you the rundown of, oh, this. You need that full picture. You need that designer to really help all those little pieces to make sense and come together, right?
Absolutely.
You do not do that.
No.
You hate it.
No, and I've shot video shopping with her. Ugh.
It's bad, yeah. Okay, so alongside of that, it saves on time shopping and also time spent even just worrying about it and thinking about it. As the client, you don't have to sit down and again, source everything and think about it and have all of this time spent on picking out finishes, right? It's
it's twofold. The
and decision making.
Contractor doesn't have to sit there and put any thought towards it either.
Well, you didn't. You wouldn't.
No, I'd be go there.
That's
every once in a while. I would go shopping with a client. If they were a cool client, I was I'll go shopping with them. But then the liability is on me as we're picking stuff out too. If they don't like that wall color that I picked out, I paint it and they're like, I really don't like that. Let's do something else. Well, now who pays for that?
Right.
Do I pay for that?
Even just the decision making of, I just had recently a client ask me, the contractor came to me and they asked about baseboard. Seems so simple, right? And most of the time you put a 4 or 5 inch baseboard. And I said, my first question was, how tall is the client's ceilings? And he said, they're 10 feet. And I said, oh, well, you can't put a 4 or 5 inch baseboard. You need a good 7 to 8, even maybe higher. You could probably go higher on that. And I said, or else it'll kind of look too squatty. So again, the contractors didn't think about that. They were just going to put a 4 or 5, which would have been fine. But this is $1 million home. You can't put these little small, trims on things. You have to really be thoughtful in that. Or the paint colors, he's doing a hardwood floor, for instance. And the contractor had made this suggestion. I'm like, no, you can't do that because his, you can't do that paint color because it doesn't match this and that, it'll compete. And it's the contractor doesn't think that way. And, maybe even the homeowner won't notice it once it's done, but it's just when you walk into a space and it's right, it's right. If you spend that much money on it and you're not putting the design and you're not really being intentional with all of the look lining up and being all cohesive, then you might as well not even do it, right?
Yes. Prior to you, I would just send the customer out and about.
Yep.
And they were on their own. And then I would still get calls from the designer asking questions about this and that and this and that. And I'm just I can't deal with all of that stuff. Or they'd come back with something that oh, that's what you picked.
It was ugly.
And then I'd be I don't know if that's going to look good. And then all of a sudden, then they're having to go back out and shop. It saves a ton of time. It will cost a little bit more, but your time savings, the professional aspect of somebody who just does design all the time versus somebody who just does the remodeling and the construction.
Yeah.
Is a game changer.
Game changer. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have gone through a remodel or have worked with a contractor that didn't quite get design either, comment below. I want to hear kind of your horror stories.
Yes.
But I also want to hear if you had a contractor that was creative. I would love to hear that story. Share those stories with me below. And also, if you have a space that you want me to design, there is a link below that will send you to a form. I would love to design your space. You just fill out the form, give me your name and a little bit about your space, details about what style you like and what you're looking for, and then attach some pictures, and I would love to design your space. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.